Dear students, today we try to learn how to draw a graph to the line x minus y plus 1 equal to 0. Many of you know in your 10th standard itself about the graphs. Since we are recollecting the topic again, let us listen again how to draw a graph. Graph is drawn when you know the coordinates. X minus y plus 1 equal to 0. Shift this minus y this side. It become y equal to x plus 1. Try to find out some coordinates. Give values of x. If I give x value as 0, y value is 1. If I give x value as 1, y value is 2. If x equal to 2, y is 2 plus 1, 3. If x equal to 3, y equal to 4. If x equal to minus 2, minus 2 plus 1, minus 1. If x equal to minus 3, minus 3 plus 1, minus 2. So, likewise, we can find infinitely many points by plotting all these points on the graph, and by joining we get a straight line. Now, I already drawn x and y axis. I am marking the points. X and y axis both meet at a point called origin. 1 unit I am moving towards right side. Whenever you move right, you get positive values. 2, one more step, 3, one more step, 4. Since I am moving towards the right, values goes on increasing. This is positive x-axis. From origin, if I move towards left, values goes on decreasing. Minus 1, one more step, minus 2, one more step, minus 3. If you continue so on, you get many points. This is a negative x-axis. Now, mark positive y-axis. 1 unit towards up, 1 unit again, second, next this become 3, this become 4, so on, we get positive y-axis. If you move downwards, this is minus 1. Minus represent down. Plus represent up in the vertical line. If you move one more step down, become minus 2, minus 3, so on. This is the negative y-axis. Now, already we found some coordinates 1, 2. How to mark this 1, 2? How to mark this 1, 2? On x-axis 1 unit towards right, because it is plus 1, and 2 units up. So this is 1, 2. First point. Next, what is other point? 2, 3. So from origin, move 2 steps right. From there, move upwards because the point is 3. Move upwards. So this is a 2, 3 point. Next, 3, 4, which means on x-axis 3 units, along y-axis upwards 4 units. So this is 3, 4. Now -2, -1. What is -2, -1 comes in which quadrant? X negative, y negative. X negative, y negative. This is the third quadrant. X value is negative, y values are also negative. So -2, -1 comes in third quadrant. -2, this is -2. -1, move towards down. So -1. Next, -3, -2. Along x-axis, -3. Minus represent left along the horizontal line. So -3. Along y-axis downwards, -2. So this is -2. Likewise, if you mark all the points what you have made, and by joining, see, I am joining I got a straight line. If you use scale, you will get straight line. Since I have drawn without using the scale, it is a little bit shaky. So if you draw using a scale, you will get straight line. This way you can find, or you can draw a graph of a line x minus y plus 1 equal to 0. Now, since this is a line and has no endpoints, you can extend both sides. You can extend both sides. And this is called inclination. What is the meaning of inclination? Angle made by line, angle, this is angle between the drawn line and x-axis. Angle made by line with x-axis is called inclination. So this is inclination denoted by theta. If you place a protractor here and identify the angle, you will get 45 degrees definitely. How 45 degrees? Right. It is very clear that inclination is an angle. Angle between what? Between a line and x-axis. If you observe the inclination is 45 degrees. It is measured with the help of protractor. Without protractor also we can identify that the angle of inclination is 45 degrees. For that, we try to find slope. Slope is a number which shows the steepness of this line, which means suppose this is a line. If you want to travel along this line, you can see some roads having the steepness. It is difficult to travel on this steep line instead of traveling on this straight line. The steepness is denoted with a number called slope. Now we try to find slope of this line. In our 10th standard, you know how to find slope. Suppose this is A, B, 2 points. I am finding AB slope. What is the slope formula? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Find slope x1. This is x1, y1. x2, y2. Replace in the formula. y2 how much? 3. Minus y1 how much? 2. By x2, 2 minus 1. 3 minus 2, 1. By 2 minus 1, 1. That is 1. So slope of this line is 1. Similarly, take another 2 points, find out slope. This is C, this is D point, suppose. Now find CD slope in a similar fashion using the same formula. CD slope. What is the formula? y2 minus y1. So y2 how much? Minus 1. Minus y1. What is y1? 4. By x2. What is x2? Minus 2. Minus x1. 3. Minus 1 minus 4. Minus 5 by minus 5. Both get cancelled. That is 1. CD slope is also 1. Means the slope of this line is 1. Slope of this line is 1. Which means if you try to calculate slope of any points on this line, you will get the same slope as 1. Same slope as 1. So, if theta is inclination, if theta is inclination, then slope is defined as m equal to tan theta. M means slope. How much slope you got? 1. So 1 equal to tan theta. In trigonometry, you know for what value of theta, you will get answer 1. Theta equal to 45 degrees, because tan 45 is how much? 1. So this way we can find slope of a line.